안녕하세요. 오빠입니다. Hello everyone, this is Oppa. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Seoul Bike, also known as Ddareungi. It is affordable, eco-friendly, and a fun way to get around the city. Seoul Bike or Ddareungi is a public bicycle rental system you can find all across the city. You will see green bikes parked at Seoul Bike Station. You can rent a bike using your smartphone and return it to any Seoul Bike station. Let's go step by step. Search for Seoul Bike or Ddareungi in the App Store. It looks like this. Install the app. Now, open the app. Hit allow. Hit 확인, which means confirm. Hit 다음, which means next. Hit 다음, which means next. Hit 시작하기, which means start. Choose foreigner. Hit purchase pass. Refer to the ticket guide and choose the right pass for you. Let me explain a little further. Let's say you buy a 1-day, 1-hour pass. This means you can use the pass for 24 hours from the time of your first use. During that time, you can borrow and return bikes as many times as you want, but each ride must be completed within 1 hour. I will choose 1-day, 1-hour pass. Now enter your email address. And agree. Hit pay amount. Choose the right option for your card. Enter your card information. And then hit next. Then it says 구매 완료, which means the purchase completed. Check the pass number. Check bike stations and available bikes on the map. Here is a bike station. Choose a bike. Open the app. Choose foreigner. Hit purchase pass. Hit I already have a pass because you already have it. If you didn't buy it, you can buy it here. Enter the pass number you got when you purchased it. Hit use pass. hit rent. Then now you can scan the QR code on the bike. Hit 확인, which means confirm. Wait for the lock to open. Now the lock is open and we are ready to ride. Make sure the seat height is comfortable. When you are done, go to any Seoul Bike station. Lock the bike. The return is complete. That's it. Now you know how to use Seoul Bike. It's a great way to explore Seoul like a local. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Ride safe and see you next time. Thank you.